Good day, Ma'am MJ. Today I'll present to you my Arduino activity, which is RFID. So first, you need to include some libraries here. As you can see, we have 4 libraries. One for the LCD, communication, RFID, and then we need also to include some pins. So these are the attached digital pins to our Arduino. SS pin is assigned to digital pin 9, RST pin is to 9, SS pin is to 10, RST pin is to 9, relay pin is to 3. So after that, we need to create some object for our RFID and then for our LCD. After that, we need to initialize first the communication using the serial begin communication that starts at 9600 baud rate. This will display the message in the serial monitor. Then after that, we will assign the relay pin variable as an output, and then we will also assign the relay pin as low into low using digital write function. Then initialize the LCD, initialize the RFID. So this one right here is a display, will be the display on our LCD. Here in our loop function, so code this code, it will check if the RFID is scanned. I mean, these two these two functions will check if an RFID is scanned. So first I will explain to you this condition first. So this will check if the RFID card is near the reader. Then this one is, it will read the unique ID of the card. So let's say for example there is a card, uh, I mean there's a card near the reader. So the it will go to this condition. So basically if this condition will true, so it is the card that was near the reader is valid, so authorized, because in a card ID it should have 62 0B 49 and 55. So if that condition will be true, so this code will, this message will be displayed on our LCD. And then after that, the relay pin will go high, it will trigger the relay pin, and then after this delay it will low again, then the LCD will clear. So for example, the the card that is near the sensor, so if the card is not valid, so this message will display access denied. And then this is just a reset screen, and then we need to stop the communication to to avoid reading the same card repeatedly. In the next clip I will show you the output.